Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making an immune boosting vitamin C enriched juice, and this is very good for you, especially in coronavirus. You have to stay safe and you need to make yourself stronger. Okay, for this recipe we are going to be needing fresh mint leaves, lemon juice and orange juice to your taste, how you like it, salt and pepper for taste as well, and honey, and obviously water. I have organic honey. You do not want the one with sugar crystals in it. And ice. And I have a blender here. I'm gonna add in the water into this first. Okay. I'm going to add in my fresh mint leaves as well. And they go. Lemon juice. Orange juice, salt, pepper, and honey. Just go in there. Now I'm just going to put this into our blender. Now I'm going to turn the blender on. Let's turn it off. On from here. Whoa, that looks good. Now I'm just going to add in the ice into this. Oh, it's cold. Last one there, and I'm going to turn this back on. Now this is out, I'm just going to mix this a bit, and I'm going to put it into our glass. I have a slice of lemon over here. I'm just going to put this in, and there you have it. Your immune boosting vitamin C drink is ready. It looks good. So that's it, you guys. That's your immune boosting vitamin C drink. If you guys like this recipe, please tell me in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!